Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Claudia. You are very welcome. Please consider subscribing if you enjoy videos such as DIY, beauty, fragrance reviews, cooking, cleaning with me, and a lot more. In today's video, we are recreating our wall art, and it's by the Restoration Hardware. I love the prints and all the things they've got in that store. However, I'm not willing to pay that price. So in today's video, I'm using a cardboard box in order to achieve this inspired wall art. I hope you stick around, like, and share, and get creative as well. Don't just watch me. So guys, here I'm trying to cut out the desirable size that I want. I initially wanted a bigger, way bigger piece, but it's my first time trying a cardboard box to create a wall art, and it's an experiment here, and I had the picture in my head. I post it here. This is the picture. However, with the cardboard box, there's a lot of imperfections that are very visible, especially you noticed in the middle of the video when I start painting. The idea was to have a base in a white color and the rest in black. But let's continue to watch the video. And by the way guys, if you're still here, don't forget to subscribe. That'll mean the world to me. I've got a lot of plans to do a lot of more DIY videos as I am improving my home, and I'm decorating and revamping a lot of the things in here, and I'll be making videos in regards to home decor and fragrance reviews and everything that girls like, hair, beauty, all the nice things that we ladies love. So smash that like button, share and subscribe. Guys, I have to say that I was trying to use the primer like a normal primer that I use for doors in hardwares, woodwork and everything, because I thought I would be wasting my acrylic paint. But I have to say I ended up mixing everything. As I continue, you see that I had difficulties. I noticed that white is not very forgiving, and all the ridges and wrinkles and folds in the cardboard box, it was very apparent, like, to me. It was so visible and it would just ruin my work. So you notice that I will stop painting in white halfway. Okay, he has just decided to be a proper painter and just go with it, and forget about wasting paint. It's only acrylic, it's from the Poundland. I mean guys, this artwork cost me pretty much, I would say, 50 pence. Okay, I bought this acrylic paint for £1, and honestly guys, I used maybe 1/4 of the paint. So here I am trying to go over with the black acrylic paint, and I was having some difficulties. I want to say, if you really want to make a permanent wall art, make sure you buy a canvas. I was going to do that, but I just had these creative juices coming to me today, and I did not want to wait for 4 days until I would get my cardboard box, my canvas rather, on the post. And I have not regretted, I have to say, for something that only cost me pennies. I'm very pleased. So as you see here, I'm progressing now. I'm reaching towards the end in terms of covering the canvas all in black, and I think it was a better choice. Guys, if you attempt to do this, make sure all areas are covered. All the ridges and corners and bumps and lumps, like I said earlier, is very challenging to do on the cardboard box, but nevertheless, you are literally saving a lot of money and creating something quite amazing, if I may say so myself. I'm here allowing the paint to dry before I go over with my real artwork. Start off with the acrylic paint, but I will notice later on I'll be adding some other paints. I was trying anything that could try in white, and I'll tell you why in a bit. Please guys, if so far you are enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up. That will help the channel to grow and more people will be able to see this video, as YouTube prefer when subscribers like the videos to acknowledge that they actually enjoying it, so YouTube can share with more people. I would appreciate if you could do that for me. Thank you, my loves. This piece of paper is just the little pattern that I drew there so I could follow my train of thought, if you like. But at the end it didn't serve me for anything. I just went with my creative juices, and as I was thinking to cross and flip and whatever I had to do with the paint, was truly you know, genuine painter, if you like. Guys, you will notice here that I went with one pass and did not stick with the cardboard box or cardboard material. The paint doesn't adhere no matter what type of brush you use. He has got a lot of ridges and bumps and lines. It's not a smooth surface. That's why earlier I said, if you want to make something more permanent, I mean, this is, you know, luxury, bougie on a budget. We want a hardware restoration, hardware look in our homes. So we are not spending nothing here. Is acceptable. But if you want something more permanent, get yourself from eBay or somewhere cheap a canvas, okay? And I'm sure you're gonna get greater results. I hope you heard what I said, greater, because I did get great results, but you'd be much better if it was a canvas. Have to pass so many times, and I persisted, and you know, and I think that's why I got the result that I got, because I did not give up. Smash the like button, put in the comments below persistence if you're enjoying this video so far. Thank you.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
So my loves, here I'm using a bit more sort of the precision type of brush, a proper one for artwork, because it was very challenging to get the edges and the corners quite smooth. We don't want nothing, you know, we don't want perfection here, because obviously artists, they're not looking for perfection when you have your creative juices just going through your head and you just drawing lines, you are flipping the brush and do your thing. but we want some lines to be a bit more defined, and that's what I was trying to achieve here. So guys, I'm trying to clean up the mess with the black as well. So I'm going here with the black in the areas that it was more prominent, visible, the white lines. I am just going over, you know, being very patient and trying to get a smoother, a better finish to this artwork. So far, if you guys are enjoying it, please let me know in the comments below, and please do not forget to subscribe. That'll mean the world to me. Thank you.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. Hold me close till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are